The world's most famous pizza was named for an Italian queen. But the royal letter that proves it? It's a complete fraud. The story is a fairy tale. In 1889, Queen Margherita visits Naples. A local pizza maker, Raffaele Esposito, creates a dish just for her. Red tomato, white mozzarella, green basil, the colors of the new Italian flag. She loves it. He names it in her honor. A perfect story, a patriotic symbol. There's just one problem. The only proof is a forgery. The official letter from the Queen's court, the centerpiece of the entire legend, is fake. Historians confirmed it. The royal seal is wrong, the signature is forged. Even the pizza itself wasn't new. A recipe with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil was described in a book from 1853, 36 years before the Queen's visit. So why the elaborate lie? The answer isn't about royalty. It's about survival. Decades later, in the 1930s, Raffaele Esposito's descendants were running a failing business. They needed a marketing hook to stand out. So they invented a powerful myth, a pizza personally blessed by a queen. And it worked brilliantly. The myth became more powerful than reality. But here's the beautiful irony. In 2017, UNESCO didn't celebrate the pizza. It recognized the art of the Neapolitan Pizzaiuolo, the craft itself, as a World Heritage treasure. The four-phase ritual, the kneading, the shaping, the masterful twirl, the wood-fired bake. This is the real tradition that 3,000 pizzaiuoli in Naples protect today. The story might have been a fabrication, but the art and the soul behind it, that was authentic all along.